How do you add the link to tracking number in AfterShip and Klaviyo? Hi, this is Andrew, the founder of Flowium email marketing agency, as well as this YouTube channel. And one of our followers asked us, how do we add link? Like if you use AfterShip and Klaviyo email marketing platform, and how you, this is one thing to add a tracking number, but second thing, like how to add clickable link to the tracking number, so when they click it redirect them to the right page and show them the status. So in this video I'll show you how to do it. So first of all, let's start building the flow. Let's go to flows, click create flow, and let's start with AfterShip integration. So click on AfterShip, and there's three statuses: order in transit, out of for delivery, received delivery. So let's do order in transit. So let's do this one, create a flow, click here, open to add it. And where do we have tracking? So here's a tracking number. You see, Klaviyo already pre-populated that. You see, this is arrive at post office. But how to make this link clickable? So what you do, you click on preview, and preview carries all information for that specific trigger, and that trigger is in transit via AfterShip. And we are looking for a link or URL. Okay, so we have UPS. So there's few ways to do it. So one way, let's say if you always ship with, in this case, USPS, this is what you do. USPS tracking number, and you can do it based on the carrier. So one email for USPS, one FedEx, and one for UPS. Is it the right way to do it? Is it easy? No, it's like it requires extra work, but let me do the hard way first, and I will show you the easy way second. So here's a tracking number. Where's tracking number? Tracking number. Here's a tracking number. Come on, I need this number. Copy. Let's do this one, track. Okay, so try this one. Yeah, okay. So this is how we'll do it. Copy this link. So here's tracking number, click, add a link. So here's a thing, and also copy this code to the link as well. And if I remember correctly, you need to click other, save, preview, show, click. Yeah, it doesn't work. Something is wrong. Okay, I found the error. So basically, yes, you don't need to do the other, you just need to do HTTPS. So here's that, and so let's do preview, show, and when you click, it will show you the USPS tracking. And if you ask me, like, how do you do other service providers? So you do this done, you do split test, trigger split. Her name is, in our example, USPS. So USPS will go in one this, then delete no pass. Okay, so this is will be for USPS. So let's call it USPS. So then you do the same clone, and this one you will do, for example, for trigger split, and this one you will do carrier name equals, let's do FedEx.
Before we continue with the video, I have a short announcement to make. We are growing and we have a few spots available for new clients, and I would like to tell you about our partner program, Give $1,000, Get $1,000. How does it work? If you know anybody in your network who are e-commerce brand, online retailers, please refer them to us, and if they sign up with us, you will get $1,000 and they will get $1,000 discount toward their credit. Or if you are an e-commerce brand and you would like to work with us, we will give you $2,000 towards your first month of the retainer. Just visit flowium.com/partner and see the details of a partner program, and we have a template there, email template, which you can send it to your friend or somebody you know in e-commerce space.
So this one will be for FedEx. And again, you do the same thing. You need to find FedEx tracking number. You enter the number, it will add you unique link, and you just replace that code, that number with a dynamic code. So this is the hard way. This is the old way of doing this. Since then, they developed the page. So basically, you need to direct them to the page. So the link is your company name .aftership.com/ and this is a dynamic code, tracking code. So how do you do this in Klaviyo? So let's copy this code. Let's go to the same thing. Okay, so let's remove the link, save, and let's add this link again. So click. So here's the thing, here's the code. Remove that code because we don't need it. Save, and copy this code again, one more time, copy, and add it here. Save, try it now. So it should work. Try, you see? So first of all, it shows you the tracking number and make it dynamic, clickable, hyperlinked, and it directs you to AfterShip page. So I hope I answered your question. In case you have any additional questions about this video or any other AfterShip video, I will do my best to either answer them via text, or I will record similar video and answer them. And if you like this video, if it helps you, thumb it up or comment below. It just helps our channel to grow. And if you're not subscribers, please subscribe.